Hi friends, today we're going to do spelling maze for one of our practice stations. You'll see that the words at the bottom are also the words that are in the maze. So right here where it says start, I'm going to start my maze. I'm going to try to get to the first word. I come through my maze. Oh, I find the word misspell. Remember that the prefix miss means wrong. So that means spelled wrong. After I get to misspell, I'm going to come down to the bottom and cross it off. Remember that you can pause the video whenever you need to catch up. Now I'm going to go back into my maze. I want to see if I can get to another word. Following my maze. Oh, I'm coming to the word bake. Remember, bake's syllable type is a long vowel silent E. I'm going to go to the bottom of my paper and cross off the word bake. Good job. Pause the video if you need time to catch up. Okay, I'm going to keep going in my maze. Oh, here's the word misuse. Remember the prefix miss means wrong, so misuse must mean that I'm using it wrong. Misuse. I'm going to come down to the bottom of my paper and I'm going to cross off misuse. All right, let's go back into the maze. Pause the video if you need time to catch up. Coming back. I'm going to see if I can get to the word misread. Oh, there's the word misread. Remember that the prefix miss means wrong, so that must mean that you've read it wrong. Now I'm going to go cross off misread at the bottom of my page. Pause the video if you need time to catch up. All right, I'm going to come back into my maze and see where I can find my next word. Oh, I see the word biking. Remember, we added an ing ending and we had to take the silent E off. Biking. I'm going to come down to the end of my paper and cross off biking. Okay, let's go back into our maze. I'm going to try to get to the word dislike. Remember that the prefix dis means not. So I know that dislike means to not like. I'm going to come down and I'm going to cross off dislike. Then I'm coming back into my maze. Oh, here's the word we talked about yesterday, disband. Remember that the prefix dus means not, so that must mean not banded together. I'm going to come down and cross off disband from my page. Okay, I'm going to come back into my maze and see if I can get to this word. Oh, disagree. Remember that the word disagree has the prefix dis at the beginning. We know that dis means not. So disagree must mean to not agree. And come back down and cross off disagree. Okay, I'm going to go back into my maze. Oh, I wonder how I can get out of here. I must have to go this way and then up and around. Oh, and I'm coming to the word baking. Baking has an ing ending. That tells me that I had to take off my silent E. Baking. I'm going to cross off the word baking. Go back into my graph or my maze. Oh, it says I'm getting closer. Come and see if I can find the last one. Oh, I came to the word misplace. Misplace. Remember that miss means wrong, So it must be in the wrong place. I'm going to come down to the end of my paper and cross off misplace. All right, now I'm going to come see if I can get out of this maze. Oh, there's a note for me. Almost there. And I got to the end, so I'm done. Good job. Okay, my friends, make sure that your name is on the top of your spelling maze and turn it into the black basket. Go ahead and work on your may do, must do list. Have a great day.